How to clear DeepSeek AI chat history. Let's get started. First, launch your DeepSeek app, or also you can navigate to the web version. Once you're on this page, now what you have to do is click on two bars given at the top left. You're gonna find all of your chat history. Now, how to delete it? If you wanna delete each of the history manually, what you have to do is press and hold on it, select the option of delete, click on delete. With that, the specific chat history will be deleted. Likewise, in case you want to delete all the chat history at once, what you have to do is click on your mail address. Now, here you're going to find the option of delete all chats. Click on it. If you confirm deletion, all chat history for this account will be permanently erased and cannot be recovered. Click on confirm deletion. Now I can hit back and check. The chat history will be cleared. So this is how you can easily clear DeepSeek AI chat history. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.